An autopsy is scheduled to find out what happened to a homeless man in Berwick, Nova Scotia. Harley Lawrence died when the bus shelter where he was sleeping caught fire. He was the only homeless man in the Annapolis Valley town, and residents who knew him well are convinced his death was no accident. Tom Murphy has our report.
In a part of the province normally known for its beauty, a shrouded bus shelter can't hide an ugly, horrific death. One police are calling suspicious. People here fear it was deliberate.
How could people be so cruel to do this to somebody?
Harley Lawrence was sleeping in this bus shelter as he often did. In the early morning hours, it was fully engulfed in flames.
Upon arrival at the scene, our members located a 62-year-old male that was deceased. At this time, the investigation is continuing.
In this town of 2,500, Harley Lawrence was a bit of a man of mystery. Few knew him well, but many recognized him as the only homeless man in town and tried to help.
I find it very, very, very disheartening. It's a sad day.
I wish I could have helped him more than just a coffee.
Reclusive, paranoid, Lawrence refused help from social services. And in recent weeks, he had told people he was being picked on by some passers-by.
They mocked him. They made him angry.
This man says he once helped Lawrence years ago deal with the death of his mother.
He loved his mom, and I think that's what gets missed in all this is the humanity. That underneath that mask of mental illness is a really true person.